Picture this, you're floating down a river, surrounded by lush greenery, with not a single care in the world. Sound like a dream? It's not. Come with me as I experience river rafting for the very first time on the stunning Rio Nuevo River in St. Mary. And trust me, this peaceful adventure is about to become your new favorite way to experience Jamaica. So I linked up with Captain Xavier from JM Tours and Travels, but everyone calls him Captain X. As soon as we pushed off from the riverbank, I felt this instant wave of calm wash over me. And I realized pretty quickly that this wasn't going to be some wild, adrenaline-pumping adventure. This was something different. This was peace.
I say I was quiet. Oh, say, on the weekend too? Well, today Saturday. This is beautiful. Doggy? You see me?
Along our journey, Captain X steered us toward the riverbank, so I could buy coconut jelly to enjoy while rafting. The water on Rio Nuevo is beautiful. It's like floating through a living painting. Captain X and I started chatting right away, and that's when the real magic happened. See, when you're floating down a river at this slow, easy pace, conversation just flows naturally. No rushing, no pressure. Just good vibes and interesting stories.
Okay, we're on the Rio Nuevo River with Captain X.
No snakes, no crocodiles, no alligators, nothing dangerous.
Nothing dangerous at all?
No fishes.
No man either? No man. No man in there.
He told me about river massages.
Alright, so it is,
For them side too.
optional. So what you do when you come into the tour, when you pay for the office, goes to the office. When you pay for pay separately for the massage.
So that go to them?
No, that goes to the captain. So the captain will do the massage, whether you do legs or half body of it. Normally it's like 30 for legs, 40 for half body and 80 for full.
And people pay feet?
Normally most of the time I'll be a full body.
So I have a reputation for rub down woman good.
Yeah. Well,
So you do it to eggs?
we basically send them to sleep 3 o'clock. Yeah, because they have to wake them up one time of the night. You know?
Wow.
Yeah. So that's fact. Yeah, we want to do our job, we do it perfect, I'll do it right, you know?
Yeah.
And the crabs that live in the river.
We look under the bush right here, you know? On the edge of the land, you see nothing. See crab? Alright, so you see which part of the branch hanging out into the water?
No branch hanging out. Oh, I see it. Oh, it's big.
Yeah. That's small compared to some of those.
People catch them and sell them. I mean, cook them and so.
Same curry crab here that I get. The same blue crab in there.
So there we were, just vibing and enjoying the ride. When I asked if I could steer the raft, Captain X was right there, guiding me through it. The feeling of controlling the raft, even with Captain X's expert guidance, was exhilarating. I kept us going straight, avoided the rocks, and honestly felt pretty proud of myself. Captain X was cheering me on the whole time, giving me little tips and celebrating when I got it right. That's the kind of guide you want. Someone who doesn't just show you around, but actually lets you be part of the experience.
Yeah, man. Alright. One captain in a man. Sure. Go on a road.
Captain X pointed out different spots along the river, sharing stories about the area's history. This river isn't just a tourist attraction. It's a vital part of the community. It provides food and now tourism income for local guides and their families. Knowing that my adventure was directly supporting people like Captain X made the whole experience even more meaningful. The journey down Rio Nuevo felt like it was over way too fast. Even though we were on the river for a good amount of time, it felt like just minutes. That's how you know an experience is special. When time seems to move differently. When you're so immersed in the moment that everything else fades away.
You reach back already? Take your time, okay? Take your time, okay?
So, if you're looking for a serene and fun Jamaican adventure, a Rio Nuevo River rafting trip is definitely the way to go. Whether you're watching from Jamaica or halfway around the world, I hope this video gives you a taste of what makes this island so special.